Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting exploration of the English language. Today, we're diving into a B1 level noun, the word clue. A clue means a piece of evidence for solving a problem. It's that little hint, that fragment of information that helps you piece together the bigger picture, whether you're solving a mystery or just trying to figure out what's for dinner. So, clue is a noun that refers to something that points the way to solving a problem or answering a question. Think of Sherlock Holmes meticulously examining a crime scene, searching for that one tiny clue that will crack the case. It's not the whole solution, but it's a vital piece of the puzzle. Now, let's explore some synonyms for clue. One synonym is hint. For example, the detective found a hint of perfume at the scene. Another similar word is indication. You could say, his nervous behavior was an indication that he was hiding something. We can also use the word sign. For instance, the footprints in the mud were a sign that someone had been there recently. Yet another synonym is suggestion. Consider this sentence. The anonymous letter gave a suggestion as to the killer's identity. And finally, another word we could use is lead. The police are following a new lead in the investigation. Notice how each of these words carries the same general sense of pointing towards a solution, just like our word of the day, clue. Now, let's flip the script and look at some antonyms, words that mean the opposite of clue. A good antonym for clue is confusion. For instance, instead of finding a clue, the detective faced only confusion at the complex crime scene. Another antonym could be solution. The answer wasn't found after a clue was presented. They had the solution right in front of them. Another word with an opposite meaning is mystery. You could say, the disappearance of the painting remains a complete mystery, where the mystery suggests a lack of helpful information, the opposite of having a clue. A further contrasting word is certainty. Instead of having a clue, they had certainty about the suspect's identity. Finally, consider the word ignorance. His ignorance of the facts prevented him from understanding the clue. These antonyms help highlight what a clue is, and it's not confusion, mystery, or a complete lack of information, but rather a guide toward understanding. So, how can you use the word clue in everyday life? Well, think about situations where you're trying to figure something out. Maybe you're trying to guess what your friend got you for your birthday. You might say, give me a clue. Or perhaps you're trying to solve a riddle. The person giving the riddle might say, here's a clue to help you. You might also hear expressions like, I haven't got a clue, which means I have no idea. For example, I haven't got a clue what she's planning for the party. In detective stories, the characters are always looking for clues. They might say, this clue is essential to finding the criminal. Here are some more usage examples. The detective followed the clue that led him to the warehouse. The teacher gave the students a clue to help them solve the problem. The missing button was a clue about who might have taken the money. The strange noise was a clue that something was wrong with the car. The website provided a clue as to the location of the hidden treasure. He's not giving me any clues about where we are going for dinner. The police are searching for any clues that might help them find the missing child. Did you find any clues that would help to find the thief? I'm not getting a clue about what you are implying. This clue could be the one that helps us solve the case. I haven't got a clue what the problem is. She gave me a big clue when she said she loved Italian food. The first clue is hidden behind the painting. The game is really fun because you have to collect all the clues. The police are studying every clue at the scene of the crime. So, to recap, today we explored the word clue, a B1 level noun that means a piece of evidence for solving a problem. We looked at synonyms like hint, indication, sign, suggestion, and lead. We also examined antonyms such as confusion, solution, mystery, certainty, and ignorance. And we saw how clue is used in everyday conversations and common expressions. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Before we go, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show, allowing us to reach more English language learners around the world. And now, your challenge. Try to create your own sentence using the word clue and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to read what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words. Goodbye.